All right. Good morning. Good morning. Oh, let's see. Where's Restream? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Yep, this is the one. Can everybody hear me on TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, Twitch, and Facebook? We're about to have visual on YouTube. Give me just a second. There you go. Let me see real quick. Yep, YouTube is up, I believe. Let's get this one out of here. Happy Merry Almost Christmas. And a Happy New Year to everybody. Don't forget, the best gift you can give is the safety trade system. What's going on here? We're still not up, are we? Let's see, how high? Well, let me see what this is about. Give me just a second here. Good morning, everybody. I got to figure out how to play that music. All right. Now we're in the right area. Man, am I tired. And where's my live? Gotta be live. There we go. Anybody have any questions this morning before we get started? Anybody have any concerns, worries, trades they got suckered into that didn't work out? Where? Hold on one second. It did not. Oh, wow, I think it did. How are we going to do what we have to do? Things that make you say, okay. Now, we are definitely falling. All right. So many things to do, guys. You just don't know. Yeah, it's definitely having problems when I head over to here. Well, that's fine. Oh, shit, it just snapped it. I don't know why Restream is so unstable. I'm coming back on YouTube, guys. All right, now let's try it again, I swear. Yep, that's the one. Now, I think if I stay here, I'll be okay. Whenever I go to somewhere, it's just YouTube to Restream just won't work. But anyway, good morning, Fletch. Good morning, Marley Mar. Hey, Bob. Good morning, Bob Ooten. What's up, Bob? Good morning, Lachey. Good morning, Mike. I don't think I recognize your 5.56, Mike. Welcome to the channel, unless YouTube made you change your name or something. Have you been here? Good morning, AJ. Oh, that is Adam Knapp. Good morning, Adam. I'm starting to remember some of you people. Oh my goodness, am I tired? How much time we got? 14 people. I think we're on TikTok too. Where's my TikTok at? Yes, Adam's on both. Thank you, Adam. All right, well, let's go ahead and hook this sucker up. And okay, that'll work. Good morning, Aussie Trader. What's up, Aussie Trader? This is my third year. Just changed my name, Mike Snyder. Oh, you changed your name. Well, that's good, Mike. What a man of commitment, sure. You're funny, Crash. Morning, Crash. Morning, Aussie Trader. Morning, Mr. Gold. Sorry, I missed you. Oh, you know what? Holy shit. Let me see something. Let me see if I can go on over here. Let's see. Let's see if I can see the C. No. No, that's true. Fudge. No. All right, now we're in. Good morning, everybody on TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, Twitch, Facebook Live. Sorry, I'm looking at and doing about quite a few different things all at once. Bear with me. Usually I try to jump on the calls right away, but I have not done that this morning. I will now. All right, let's go charging. Nope, gotta turn this way. Yeah, that's better. What's up, Joe Bigga? Morning, Joe. Let's see how low this is going now. All right, so we have something going on. I'm going to go check out. First of all, let me go to the 10-second. Right inside of here, we can see there's a difference. You can see that Shit. Okay, quit talking. Let's go over to freaking, here we go. NAS. Nope. We need to go to US 30 and go to the, where are we going to 5 second or something? That was 10. Let me make sure that's correct. 10. It is US 30 to the 10. I just went there to the 10 second, but let me go to the 15 second. US 30 sell to the 15 second and YM1 sell to the 15 second. I rarely call the US 30 as a free money giveaway trade, but this is free money to there. I'm not going to make it official, Kim. We're just going to see price action go down to there. Can you see it? Let me see. TikTokers. Somewhat, but this is where it's going to go down to. Now, I have to also go back here and look at another thing. So sell all indices until US 30 hits its 15 second blue line. Now after that, I see some of this, some things turning green. I see more. I look over here and I see my 20-minute has a couple of red and 3 green. So that's really interesting to me. I'd like to see what that's about. That's really odd. And then we can see the 60-minute flips to green. So let's go back up here. I'm going to go probably to the 30-minute and see what's up. Oh, 30-minute. Buy. 30-minute is above. Oh, interesting. They're all above except for the 30. See, this is why you have to actually physically go look at these. It's so much clearer sometimes to see them that way. Okay, I got the idea what it's doing now. All right. Buy stop all indices, and this is a trade I personally would take if demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor. I wasn't demo trading, and demo trade only, but this is, yep, free money giveaway. Take any buy stop you can find 30-minute under until NAS hits its 30-minute blue line right there. So take any buy stop you can find until NAS on any of the 6 indices that we follow until NAS hits its 30-minute blue line. So that is demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor. Hold on. All of our, see, there you go. So as soon as I see this is what you guys, hopefully someone will alert me, otherwise I have to go back over there, which you guys have been doing pretty poor with the alerting part. US 30, let's just say it stays like this. US 30 is green, blah, 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 blah. Then we come over to here and let's just say these two turn green. I will then call out NQ1 and NAS. At that time when this happens, I will call that. Or if these two and these three turn green, I'll make the call. Let's just say all of these turn green. Then when that happens, and if this occurs like this, then I'll make this call. And then SPX and ES will do it, or vice versa. If ES, those two do it, then we'll make this call. Eventually, these will flip around. I don't know if we'll see it this morning. I don't know if we'll see it by the time I have to go. I don't know. But 9:30. Yeah, I think I am going to go back out. All right. So yeah, that's how that looks. Now, I don't really, to reword it for you, I never, well, I rarely, 99.9% of the time, I'm only calling unless someone asks for a specific symbol. Any of the symbols I call are always buy stops. So please, keep that in mind whenever I call a sell. I don't like any sells. It is not a seller's market. When it becomes a seller's market, I will let you know that we're flipped to sells when the daily flips over, but it has not done that. All right. Quick question. I have the gold only edition. Any chances that could be made to load directly on the future symbol MGC? It works fine, referencing XAUD, but it's just an extra step. Probably a chance in the future, but not by us. I could ask, I don't know at this point, so I would have to say not likely because Keith is no longer with us. So that's probably not going to be happening. You have no idea how this works. Very interesting learning. What's up, Sanders457? Welcome. Good morning, El Flacco. Let me see if I can put everybody up. Good morning, Aussie Trader. Let's see. Good morning, Crash. Mike's question about preloading it. Can't do it right now because of our situation. New here, no idea how it works. What's up, new here? What's up, Sanders? El Flacco. Good morning, El Flacco. Oh, after L. Good morning, George. Good morning, Slender. Oh, man, my tired peeps. All right. I don't even know what I'm looking at. Where am I at? Okay, so that's what's going on for your US 30 YM1 NAS NQ1 SPX ES1 from the 1 second all the way on up. I'm not going to call anything else except when I come back. Hey, here's my alarms on. My alarms on. Let me see. Alarms. Yes, they are. Wasn't that neato? All right, sorry, I have to do 2,000 things here. Give me a second. All right, now that's good. Now where were we over here? All right. There we go. Maybe we can see it nice and easy that way. I don't know. Yep, I can look at gold. All right, let me look at gold really quick for someone. That Bitcoin, boy. Bitcoin. All right, there's gold. This will be calling out gold, remember. Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor. Remember that. All right. So as was last talked about, for the new person here, I forgot who that was. Everyone please welcome him, by the way. I shouldn't have to say that. Good morning, Lachey. I don't know if I called good morning to you, Lachey. Oh, yeah. Where do these come from? What's up, Becky Manderson? Good morning to you. Good morning, Lachey. I'm sorry I missed you earlier. Good morning, Mr. Gold. I know I missed him and then had to come back. There we go, this fella. Good morning, Sanders again. You're new here, so I'm going to explain a few things. Everyone, please welcome Sanders if you don't mind. Oh, you are welcome. Thank you. All right. And TikTokers are set too. Good. I think we're good. All right. Now, let me move this down here. Should be a little louder to you. Thank you, Adam. Thank you, Slender. All right. We have, let's go to daily for argument's sake. We'll be looking at gold. What I do with the system that you see here is we have certain tools that is combined with it. Good morning, Kirk. We have a new little person here. So what you do is this, 1 second, 5 second, green, so you can see the trend is green. What this green stands for is the price action above or below this little blue line right here? And that's what that's about. And is it above it or below it? Okay. Thank you guys for welcoming me. Now, if we look at this, it's all green. There's nothing pulled back on gold yet. So we're waiting for a pullback. And without my system, if you look over here on the left versus with my system, I'm going to show you something. My system is set up to be read and help you see the charts clearly. One of our renewal members yesterday said, he goes, I looked at my charts and there's nothing there. I couldn't make anything out. And it's really, really hard to trade without the system. It just is, just the way that is. All right, now, with and without my system, let's take a look. So big drastic changes. If you look on the left, over here, you will see that this is 12-hour gold on the right, 12-hour gold. Without the system, there's nothing here. With the system, you can clearly see back here a little bit ago, it was green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop. So my system gives you all these confirmations, not the least of which actually is definitely not least, which is the importance of the sniper down here. This pink crosses the blue, and then boom, and then up, and it's going to its previous high, which is where it's almost at now. It's going to go past that, actually. So we've been trading gold pretty accurately around here for the last almost 4 years, thanks to the great Kim Harrington, one of our members. About 4 years ago, turned me on to how simple gold trades, and I've been listening to her since. And it's a very simple symbol to trade. Yeah, it's amazingly accurate. So without my system over here, trading it raw, you can't see anything. I don't even, this is just a blob of nothingness. That's how all your charts come. Then what do we do as traders? We get really scared and we go ahead and say, hey, we need something to help us see things. So we go to these indicators. They flip on here and we believe that when they say technicals or fundamentals, they're actually true. That is not. None of these oscillators or the fib or the fib retracement or your volume VWAP, look to the left, ascendant, descendant, none of that shit works. So that's why everybody's here on my channel. That's why we've had hundreds and thousands of people purchase. That's why we have 2 stores and they're $1 million. Well, actually we have 3 stores, stand stores, and each stores, well, 2 of the stores are right at $1 million each. So this is literally $1 million program now. And without, you can't see anything. With this, we know exactly where it was going. Again, it's a closed symbol. I've called gold accurately for years and years and years and years. So we know it's above its blue line. We know it's was heading back towards its green and yellow, hit both those, hit the orange line. Now it's going to its previous high. So that's where it's going next. Gold will be at a new high very shortly. And gold and silver actually run together. So you'll come over to here on this 12-hour and you will see silver, same time period. See this buy stop right here? So gold and silver work at the same exact time. Now let me do this and can I make a copy of this? I don't want to make my computer slow up, but we're going to have to. What is today? 12 something, 17, something like that anyways. Now, I want to make this. Oh, don't miss your ticket to the moon. Okay. I swear. Okay, that's good. Now we need to go over to symbols. Nope, we need this. And we need that. And we need this up here. Well, I can leave that there. All right. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to look at, do we have any time? We have a little time. We're going to look at gold. Oh, I forgot. Shoot, fire. Just look at how you do not know anything of what's happening. But with my system, you can clearly see that. It is so funny to me how amazing the system is. Now, how do we... I hate to do this, but I'm going to have to. Okay. All right. Now we can clearly see over here on the left, gold, over here on the right, silver. Let's see. If you look right in here, you'll see at the exact same time that there is a 12-hour buy stop on silver. There's a 12-hour buy stop on gold, because gold and silver run together. One will lag, another will pick up. So when you see if silver moves first, for those of you with the silver, I got to make more training videos on that. If you look down here, see your sniper. Look over here, you see the exact same sniper. So yeah. Oh shit. Hold on one second. Oh no. Oh shit. Give me 1 second, guys. I'll be right back. Ah, jeez. I forgot that they were coming this morning. I bet you they're here. Yeah, I forgot I was getting some couple loads of crush and run dropped off this morning. My bad. Got some fellas coming over. Yeah. As if I don't have enough going on. All right, where were we? Oh, gold. Simple explanation for gold. All right. Oh boy. So how am I going to see this when I call? Something like that. Good morning, Builder Las Vegas. Good idea. Morning, Glow. Good morning, Mo. I can't even move that over there. Oh boy. Good morning, Mohammed. Morning, Joe Biga. Now, we've got exciting news on the robots too. Happy rising, Try Edwards. What's up, Barani? I got my ticket to the. You're funny. Good morning, John Parker. Good morning, Jamie Rojo. Damn, a lot of you joined. I wasn't even looking. Morning, Sanders. Oh, that's Sanders, just Sanders. Good morning, Kirk again. Good morning, Pay Dude. Damn, I haven't seen a lot of you. All right. So the silver and gold work together. How that functions on a faster level. Obviously, you can see what's happening on the daily. It's easy as peasy. Let's go over to here. And let's go over to, I don't know, 1 minute. Because you'll see them, one will move first, just like our indices, silver and gold do that. So what happens is, and I'll go into a lot more silver and gold here soon. For instance, I don't like the one. Let me just go to 5 minutes. You can probably see a little more movement of what is it. Because you'd have to go down, and then you have to go like 15 seconds and shit. It isn't worth it. Oh, nice. You can clearly see that gold has gone up a lot. So on the 5 minute, and silver has not. Gold has gone to its previous high right here. Silver has not. So I'm going to go ahead and call a 5 minute buy stop on silver. Then you can say where silver is going to go. I heard silver is 60 some. Oh my goodness. Silver at 60. I've seen everything now. A buy stop to silver hit $66.26, and then silver is going over the previous high of $66.55 or whatever it was. Silver will be hitting over $70 an ounce. That's freaking crazy. Wow, that I've never thought silver was like $2 an ounce, $3 an ounce, $12 an ounce, and now it's at, wow, that's crazy to me. But that's how you can read silver and gold together. Sevens, if you guys kind of got a rough idea of what I was talking about. Nines, if you don't. I remember you calling buy stops on silver at 30. Correct. $26 actually, John, but you're right. I remember that too. Smash the like people and get your friend's family system for holidays and use that. Okay, we're going to highlight that one. John's saying everything I'm supposed to be saying. Thank you, John. John's over here, this and that, and buy this. Thank you, John. Thanks for going over this. You're welcome, Mike. And this works, by the way, because some of you are a little confused on how silver and gold run. What's the symbol for gold futures? What's the symbol? Oh, yeah. Silver at 23. Absolutely. And then when gold moves, then silver came up to it. Now I think silver is actually higher percentage-wise than gold. Isn't that ironic how it works? MGC. Okay, so let's go over to here. It's gold. Is that what I just said? Yeah, let's go over here. Well, no, let's go over. Well, let's show you both. God damn, hold on. MGC, micro gold futures. All right, see, so this is somebody, I think it might have been Mike, but if you look at these right here, this is gold, and this is gold futures. See how they look exactly the same? There's no difference, just like there's no difference between YM, the futures for ES1s and all that, than there are. You see this right here and that, you can tell, you can see the sniper. So yeah, this is exactly the same. Now, even more importantly, you'll see for if someone's trading gold and not silver, and if you ever see silver move first, oh, you better pay attention, because then it's going to be your MGCs and your actual gold itself will be following. So this morning on the 5-minute, you can clearly see that the gold future has moved up a lot, and silver has not gone up a lot. So we know silver is lagging right here. We buy stop. Look for any silver buy stop, 5-minute and under for silver until it reaches its previous orange high. And that is an official call.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Okay. Yeah, the dollar values don't matter. What you matter is the trend. You want to spot the pattern. And the pattern is a buy stop, well, was for MGC or gold, is for silver. And I'm sure silver has some kind of futures, whatever the fuck that is. I have no idea. So that's how you would read silver and gold together as one unit. And they always do this. So whether we go to like to a 15-minute, see, it's even more dramatic. Watch. You can clearly see right here. See the 15-minute buy stop right there? You can see it on the gold right here. But on the silver, you cannot see it. That's how we use silver and gold. So in this case, gold's already moved up, silver has not. That's why you'll be seeing silver go to this orange previous high line right here. Yay. Hopefully some of this is helping with you guys. We'll wait. And so yeah, and for silver, how I look for this is I would go down to the 5-second, let's say, see when that trend is flipping. Nope, we're in a sell. So you wait for these 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 15 seconds to turn 15 seconds to turn green. And then when if I saw the 1 second, 5 second, 10-second turn to green, when it does, not if, when it does do that, then I will absolutely, you can come over here and absolutely take any demo trade you want on these buy stops. Play it to the 15-second line, play it to the 30-second blue line. Because see how silver's falling right now like this? It's coming down, 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 down. It's going to hook and come back up again. That's what this is. See that little smiley face? It's not just Amazon that can draw that. And I'll keep it family PG-13 for you guys. All right. So I'd wait for the 1 second, 5 second, 10-second to flip on silver. And then I would take any buy stop until it hits its 15-second, 30-second, 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, and all those blue lines, because it will. It's just taking its sweet time to get there. MGC and yeah, I know what you meant, and it doesn't matter. I know exactly what you meant, and it 100% doesn't matter. They're the same. They will do the exact same thing. It's whatever. I'm done. Okay. Good morning. Let's see what we got over here. Good morning, D. Jones. Dwight. Good morning, Persistent. What's up, Persistent? And hopefully sevens, if you guys understood my explanation of how to wait for silver to flip. But silver and gold do run together. They're ride or diers. And we got to get back down to Litecoin too. Let me do Litecoin next. All right. Thank you on TikTok. What's up, TikTokers? What's up to YouTuber, Twitter, Twitches, something, whatever you guys are. All right. Now let's go over to here. Yeah. Now let's see how Litecoin is doing. We had a revised buy in of Litecoin. Let me see here while we're waiting. Ho, 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 ho. Look at Litecoin. Is that right? 78? Well, let's just say 79. Wow, nice. Okay, let's see what Litecoin is doing. I use my handy dandy rifle. Only found with the safety trade system is Litecoin LTC USD. Litecoin 1 second, 5 second. Yeah. I can see the green. It means an uptrend. It means things are moving up. If we come over to here, the 3 minute, 5 minute inside of here, my handy dandy little triangle, you can see it went from an up arrow to a down arrow, even if you can't see colors. So that tells me the trend is either going to be flipping down, or in this case, I know it's going to be flipping up. So let's go over to Litecoin's 5 minute and see where it is at. There you go. Buy stop to the 5 minute. I would play any 1 second through 5 minute buy stop till the 5 minute blue line is hit. That means Litecoin will be going up to $79.40. But let's see if it's going to continue to do that or if it's going to flip around and come back down as a sell. Let me see the 15 minute. Nope, we're going to call it. Litecoin. Not the 1 hour. This is 30 minute. Buy stop until $83.29. And then we can keep going here and we can see the downward trend overtakes on the higher time frame. So let me see what's up here on this daily. It's unusual we're going to see a daily red. So let's see what's up here. They are 12-hour daily sell, forming a weekly, 3 weekly. Yep. I'm going to go weekly, monthly buy. 3 monthly. Yep. Still have to wait. I would love to see what Bitcoin looks like against that. Yeah, weekly, monthly buy stop for Litecoin. Love the trade. In the meantime, that sell has it hit as low as I said. No, it can go down lower. $73.09 for Litecoin on a 12-hour daily sell. I would never touch a sell with Litecoin. Every call I make on any symbol, unless it's something you guys call, is always a permanent buy until otherwise noted. Yep. No, I like this. No, Litecoin's very good. Yep. Just reload. If it take your profit out and hit it 3 times at over 30%. Litecoin, my original call of 103 went over 133 different times since I called it. Then we did that revision the other day, I mean, like 2-3 weeks ago on it, and all that good stuff. So yeah, no, it's still very, very, yeah, and that's Litecoin.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Good morning, Martyr. Martar. I thought you were already here, Martar. All right. Helping beginners and all traders become more consistently profitable. Yeah, the best I can. I am not a financial advisor, right? Demo trade only. That is true. All right, how much time we have left? Oh yeah, let's go back. All right, we're getting closer to the market open. Please do not play market open. If you're going to play market open, make sure you get in and out of the trades very, very fast. Now, I'm not going over to YouTube right at this second. I sure hope there's more than 30 thumbs up, and I'm going to stay here for you guys just because I'm in a decent mood. Any questions? Any concerns or comments? Look at your little messages over there. Isn't that cute? So the people on well, that's weird. I wonder why the messages are upside down. Huh. I'd love to see what that looks like, but I don't really care. Let's just push that over there. All right. Let's see what's going on. Oh, yay. 30 yeah, so it hit. The sell on US 32, it's 5-second, 10-second, 15-second blue line has finally happened. Let's go check on the 30-second blue line for US 30 and see what's up with that. Sell. Yeah, they're all going to ricochet. Let me see the 15-second then. Yeah, it's got to come back up a little. All right. So you're going to see how much time we have. Oh, we have too much time. Yeah, it's going to come up, hook up right now, then hook and come back down. Sell. Well, technically, these probably should be. Yeah. Sell to the 15-second blue line right here on US 30. I never do sells. Well, I will do sells. I just haven't done sells in a long time. These symbols are all permanent buys. And this is a 15-second sell stop to the 15-second blue line. So let's go over to here. Let's go to there. Let's go to here. And it's going to go, see, it's already doing it. It's going to hook. You're going to see this. Yeah. Now, this is just a short-term trade. Don't really care about it. All I care about is these higher-term 1-minute buy stops. We're looking, don't forget, we're looking at US 30. Love this 3-minute buy stop, US 30 to the 3-minute blue line, $48,249.88. Buy stop to the 5-minute blue line, US 30, $48,257.79. One, two. Sell to the 10-minute blue line, US 30, $48,113.30. Good morning, Super Z. All right, let me see up here on that 15-minute. Same ricochet, 15-minute sell. Let me see the 30. Let me see the 1 hour. Yes, 1 hour buy. Okay, 1 hour buy. Hold on. 2 hour buy. 3 hour buy. Let's see this 4 hour. 4 hour buy. Okay, it's officially a 4 hour buy, and let's see where it's running against here. Probably the 12 hour. Yeah, it's not quite low enough for that 12 hour though. Let me see something. Yeah. 4 hour, 10 hour buy stop. Let me see that 4 hour one more time so I can give you their ends. This is a 4 hour buy stop, which you're going to see over the next several hours. Just like it was here, green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop, up she went, pink cross blue, pink will come up, see how it is already, cross blue, pink, green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop. And it's just like learning a new language around here on the system. It may be easy for some people, and some people it might be hard. Hell, I barely can learn a new language. My brother can sit around, pick up some Mexican, speak some Spanish really quick. I don't know any words in Spanish. Well, okay, maybe like, I don't know, salsa, a word? I have no idea. All right, so this is a 4-hour buy stop. We can clearly see the orange line isn't below the yellow and the green. We have the green, 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 red, buy stop there, but I'm gonna go ahead and look downward and see if I can find the exact entry for you guys, if I was trading this. Oh, that's nice. So this is a US 33 hour. I'm gonna zoom way in for you. Yes, okay. Now, on the 3 hour, you can see the pink has crossed the blue, the buy stop is here, green, 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 red. You can clearly see the price action went above right here. So according to our rules, you would have entered this trade already. Interesting. Now, if you entered this trade right when you were supposed to, which was right there, a little late. Look at this trade. The very first trade that you would have taken, you'd have been upwards somewhere of 90 to 100 pips off that little movement right there. So you'd have already made US 30 is called the Widowmaker because a lot of people back in the day used to have bad trades and unalive themselves. Good morning, Grilliano. All right, so this is how you would interpret US 30. And with US 30 doing this, right, exactly like I showed you, entry, let me show you where entry is. It would have been off of that orange line right there, and that was your entry. You'd have put the buy stop when it was down here. This is your stop loss because you're on a 3 hour. You can absolutely use this as your stop loss. Then let me get rid of this for us. Hold on 1 second. There we go. Oh, I gotta shrink this. Okay, I'll leave it. All right, and then take profit 1 would be the green line. Take profit 2 would be here. This is TP2. Take profit 3 is these orange lines right there. Take profit 3. And then this is your previous highs, and this is where you leave your open trade open, and that's a runner. And that's how you do it. And that is the exact setup, exactly what you do, and exactly how you do it. Oh. All right. And that takes us to what time? Oh, shit, almost. I really got to do a different job. All right, market open coming up in 4 minutes, 3.5 minutes. Do not trade market open.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
All right. So let's see. We'll go away. Well, let me see my cheat sheet over here. Market open in 3 minutes. Market open in 3 minutes. Let me see real quick. So what is that? 15 seconds. 10 seconds. I'm not making a call for market open at this time. You're going to have to wait. Buy stop 1 second, SPX to the blue line. 1 second, let's see. Oh, the sell straight down the bottom. That's funny. Hold. I'm not making any call at market open. I'm just going to wait here. Just hold. I don't like any of these. This is just a sell. It's going to keep going down. We got to wait 4 hours. All right, if it doesn't pull it up right now, we're going to wait until the 2-hour candle gets started about 10:30 this morning. If it doesn't do it at 10:30, look for a little pull back up around 2:30. What's today, Wednesday? Oh, we're good. This is midweek. We're good. Just be patient. If it doesn't come up right now at market open, we're just going to hang loose here. I'm going to stay here on the 1 second. Do not trade market open. It's in about a minute and a half. There's a 1 second sell on US 30 if you want to do US 30 sell. I'm not touching a sell though. We'll just wait. 1 minute to market open. If we don't get a little push up, and it's so slow, the holidays, no one, not a lot of the money in there. US 31 second has hit, but I don't care. We're just going to sit here. The 1 second sell on US 30 is fine, but I'm not doing any sells. Fuck that shit. Either it moves up at open, it moves up at 10:30, it moves up at 2:30. I don't care what. Pick one. If it keeps going down all day, knock yourselves out. I don't give two fucks. Oh, are they here? Reverse screen. Okay, CVS is just annoying the living fuck out of me. Yeah, I'm just waiting here. Let's go ahead and draw some of these out for marketable. We can do this one. I want to see this one, right? Market open, market open. Nope, just wait. Zero issue in any of these cells, zero. I want to see this here. Hell, I'll take this here or this here. Just sit and wait. If we don't get one of these, that's fine. I'll move this one over here. That's a sell. No, it's too late. 1 second sell. I got about 5-10 minutes. Damn, why did they message again? Hold on 1 second. Let me get rid of that. There you go. What's up, Aussie Trader? And thank you for the information. We're just sitting on these 1 second charts for no particular reason. I just want to see if we're going to see this push up. There we go. Okay, we have US 30 hit its 1 second blue line. We have YM1 hit its 1 second blue line, and now they're past their 1 second blue line. Let's just wait a little bit longer here. Oh, you have SPX. SPX to its 1 second blue line. Yay, ding, 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 chicken dinner. We have a winner. You have ES1 hit its 1 second blue line. We have NQ1 hit its second. Once there you go. Hit its 1 second blue. And now, okay, now we're done. All right. You can play any buy stops to the 5 second blue line, and literally you just saw 1 second across the board be made. All right. Everyone should have made over $1,000 money before market opened. The trade was good. Oh, thank you, 8 Ball. Is there news today? Not that it matters. I have no idea. You're asking the completely wrong person, Bandit Trader. What's up, Dark Lights? All right, I got to go. I'm going to leave you with the thought of a 1 second buy stop to the blue line, ricochet, NAS, NQ1, SPX, and ES1, US 30, and YM1's already did it. All right, got to go. All right, TikTokers, God bless. Talk to you later. Yay. Yep, that takes care of them, which will knock this one out. Yay. All right, YouTubers. Any other questions besides is there news? Ricochet, whatever the fuck that was, ES1 and thing are complete. All right, I gotta go. All right, see y'all on YouTube, Twitter, Twitch, Facebook. God bless. Talk to y'all later. Thank y'all for being here. All right, how do I end that? Yay, well, that was a nice, easy one this morning. Hello.